In this video, we are going to do a full review of the GOAT-funded trader. GOAT-funded prop firm was founded in 2023, and just in 2 years, they have become one of the leading prop firms in the industry. Until now, they have paid out almost $10 million to their traders. We'll break down everything you need to know, from their account types, rules, payout proofs, and dashboard interface, to the features that actually make them stand out from the crowd. They also have futures funding available. We will also discuss that as well. Before starting, if you are watching this in July, you have a chance to get 50% off on any account. This is for the new traders who are going to buy their first account with GOAT-funded traders. Just use the code FIRSTGFT to get a massive 50% discount on any account. If you are going to get another account with them, you can use the code TheDTC20 to get 20% off on all accounts. The link is in the description. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First of all, this is how the website looks. Simple and clean design. 3 important points are highlighted, like the availability of MT5, up to $2 million in capital, and getting paid on demand. Click on the Get Funded button. It will take us to the available account types. Here we have a variety of options, starting from instant funding to 3-step challenges. You can easily choose an account that suits your preference. Let's discuss each one of them one by one and see which one is best for you. First, let's discuss 1-step challenge accounts. 1-step accounts are starting from $15K all the way up to $200K in capital. The $15K account is available at $178. This is one of the best priced 1-step accounts available in the industry right now, especially with these rules. The biggest account they are offering is a $200K account, and its price is $1,098. The target for the challenge phase is 10%. The daily drawdown is 4% in both the test phase and funded phase. The maximum drawdown is 6% during both phases. There is no time limit on these challenges. You don't need to achieve this 10% target in any specific amount of days. You can get withdrawal bi-weekly. The leverage is up to 30, which is pretty much the standard in the industry. Also, another amazing thing about the GOAT-funded is that they allow news trading and weekend holding on all their accounts during all phases. These 2 rules are pretty special as well. Then the fee is also refundable. That means when you pass the challenge, you will get your 100% account fee back. Moving on, next we have 2-step challenge accounts. Here we have a wide variety of options. We have 3 different types of accounts within 2-step accounts. These types differ in profit targets and daily and overall drawdowns. Let's discuss the GOAT challenge. This really is the best pricing. You can get a 100K account with only $418. Smallest 2-step account they are offering is 5K, which will cost only $34, and the biggest account is 150K, which is priced at $618. Talking about targets of the challenge phases, it's 8% for phase 1 and 6% for phase 2. Daily drawdown is 4% across both challenge phases and funded phase. Similarly, max drawdown is also fixed at 10% for both challenge and funded phases. There is no time limit to achieve these targets. There are still some prop firms that have time limits to achieve targets, but no time limit is pretty much standard right now in the industry. First withdrawal is on demand. After that, it's every 30 days. Leverage is really good for 2-step challenges. Profit split is standard 80%, but you can get 100% with 20% extra fee. Similar to 1-step challenge accounts, news trading and weekend holding is allowed in 2-step accounts as well. Next, we have 2-step standard accounts. Here, the targets are 10% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. Daily drawdown is 5%, and overall drawdown is 10% during all 3 phases. No time limit, same as GOAT account. Withdrawals are available bi-weekly. Other things like leverage, profit split are the same as GOAT accounts. The standard $100K account will cost you $548. The third type of 2-step account is Pro accounts. A 2-step $100K Pro account is available at $518. The targets for Pro accounts are 8% for phase 1 and 4% for phase 2. Daily drawdown is fixed at 4% and overall drawdown at 8%. All other rules are the same as standard accounts. Next is 3-step challenge accounts. They are the cheapest accounts available at GOAT-funded traders. A 100K account will cost only $365. The available 3-step accounts are starting from 10K all the way up to 200K accounts. Targets for all 3 phases are 6%. Daily drawdown is 4%, and overall drawdown is 8%. There is no time limit as for other accounts. Withdrawals are available after every 14 days. Other rules like profit split, leverage, news trading, and weekend holding are the same as 2-step challenges. In instant funding, there are 2 types of accounts available. First, let's discuss the GOAT account. In this, we have accounts ranging from 5K to 200K. They have recently added 150K and 200K accounts. That is a major upgrade. These bigger instant accounts are very rare, and the prices that GOAT Funded is offering are also lowest as compared to other firms. 100K account is available at $798. There is no target for these accounts. The daily drawdown is 3%, and max drawdown is 6%. Other rules like time period, reward schedule, and profit split, etc. are the same as other accounts. The other instant account type is standard account. The accounts available are from $2.5K to $50K. Here, a $2.5K account is available at $98. If we talk about daily drawdown, it's 4%, and max drawdown is 8%. The withdrawal is available after every 10 days. The profit split is starting at 65% and goes up to 95%. News trading and weekend holding are allowed in these accounts as well. If we talk about trading platforms, GOAT Funded offers 3 different platforms: TradeLocker, MatchTrader, and MT5. Next, we will discuss what are the special and unique features that are making GOAT Funded Trader one of the best firms in the industry. But first, let's discuss another speciality about them, which is they are also offering futures funding accounts as well. Let us discuss them shortly and then get to the special features of the GOAT Funded. So let's move to the GOAT Funded Futures website. Here we have 3 different types of accounts. First, let's discuss EOD. We also have different platforms where we can trade on, so you can choose the platform that you prefer. Next, we have accounts in 3 different sizes. 50K account is available at the monthly fee of $99 per month. Then we have a 100K account that has a monthly fee of $149 per month. And the third is a 150K account, which is available at a monthly fee of $249 per month. Basic rules such as profit target, drawdown, or other fees are available. You can choose whichever account suits your needs. Next, let's discuss the static account type. Here also we have different platforms to choose from. You can select whichever you are comfortable with. Next, we have 2 account sizes available: 30K account and 75K account. 30K account is available at a price of $199 per month, and 75K is available at $349 per month fee. Basic rules, such as profit target, drawdown, or other fees are available. You can select the account which suits you best. Let's move on to instant accounts. Again, you have different platforms to choose from. Next, we have 3 different account sizes that are available: 25K, 50K, and 75K. These accounts are available at a one-time fee of $349 for a 25K account, $509 for a 50K account, and $699 for a 75K account. Basic rules such as profit target, drawdown, consistency requirements, or payout rules are available. Choose the one which suits you best. Let's talk about the unique and special features about GOAT Funded. Although we have discussed many special things already about them, such as lowest prices and wide range of accounts, let's discuss a few others. The first special feature is their free trading competition, where you can join for free and compete to win a Rolex watch, an iPhone, $500 cash, and instant accounts, all for free. Next is, they promise to pay the trader within the 2 business days, otherwise they pay $500 extra to the trader. The next special thing is the amount that they have paid out to their traders. It is almost $10 million. It shows how reliable and trusted prop firm they are. These are all the certificates of the payouts that they are giving to their traders. The next special thing about them is that all the tech, such as broker, is in-house. Because of this, they have the option of MT5 available for their traders. Let's quickly go through their trader dashboard before ending this video. This is the dashboard of my 5K GOAT 2-step challenge. I have taken 2 trades on this account yet. One of them resulted in loss, and the other was stopped out on break even. Coming to the dashboard, it has perfect features that are actually needed and are helpful in getting funded. At the top, they show daily and max drawdown levels. Next, we have the profit target. After it, we have different trading stats such as total number of trades, number of lots, average risk reward, win rate, among other things. Let's click on my stats button and see more details there. Here at the top, we have net PNL, win rate. Next, we have a simple graph showing daily PNL. This can help traders see and record what days of the week or month we perform better and then plan accordingly. Next, we have the trade summary that shows performance and different stats about winners and losers. Below this is the monthly calendar, which shows total number of trades, PNL, best and worst day, and win rate. It actually shows how the whole month was and how we did on each day of the month. Again, this is also helpful for traders. That's it from the review of GOAT Funded Trader. They are one of the best in the business right now, and if you are thinking about starting your trading journey with them, this is the perfect time for it. As there is a huge 50% discount available on all accounts for new traders. And other than that, there is also another discount available, which is 20% off. You can use the DTC20 code to get 20% off on any account at any time. The link is given in description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.